say you need your space, then pull me close. I read your silence, louder than most. One day you're warm, the next day you're cold. Got me second guessing what I already know.
Welcome to Lily Dolls. I am Kathy and this is Fashionista 249, Odile with amazing natural hair. And we will try to find her a made-to-move body. She is a petite body type. Lily is at school, so let me help them. So they have rebranded the Fashionista line into Barbie Style. The outfit is pretty cute, although I'm not a big fan of a matching top and skirt, unless you want to go with a childish vibe. Her skin tone is lighter than the usual Barbies we get, more beige than pink. And I do not think they have created a petite made-to-move body in that specific skin tone. We have the Barbie looks number 3, and that one is definitely too white. I have watched the unboxing on Plastic Chic YouTube channel, and he uses this Barbie basic for the made to move, but I don't have her. I have this Fashionista, and she does have that vanilla skin tone. So we're going to try that. If you were thinking about using this Barbie made to move pink top, it's going to be too tanned, too orangish. I have one right here, and that's the one I usually have in my crochet bag. So I apologize for her hair. She needs a little TLC, but as you can see, it's too different. So yeah, right. Let's put her back in my bag, and let's use this Millie. I might buy the Barbie Basic Model 4. You know, the cute little redhead? She has the Leah face mold. And she may work, but she may be too pale. Either way, she's adorable. And we do not have enough redheads. Alright, let's put this aside. Oops. To keep this video short, I'll free her off camera. But let me show you closer. See? That's not bad. Not bad at all. If you do not have this Fashionista, that one used to be the made to move redhead with the pale blue shirt and the black yoga pants. She's a little whiter. Just so you know, there is a very useful website called Barbie Second Life, and the author there, he or she called the skin color coconut. Another choice I had was this BMR with the Kira face mold. Her skin is a little too yellow though. I was able to find her for €24, which is not bad. So it's not perfect. But if it's all you have, it could work. And if you're not a fan of the made to move body, but you still want articulations, the Barbie Deluxe Style number 3, the one with the white fishnet stockings, or this Enchanted Evening Barbie, they're both perfect matches. Here's some hot water, and she goes. You know the drill. Okay, she should be fine right now. You gotta be careful with this specific doll because she has hoops earrings and they cannot be removed. So when you try to take her head off, hold them flat close to her head. Alright, this one is ready. She was very easy to pull off, but there is extra vinyl flashing inside her head. I'm trying to cut it with scissors. I don't want it to be caught on the next peg. There you go. Nice and smooth. And finally I'm going to place this petite Barbie doll in my crochet bag. So I'll have a petite body to create clothes for. I'm working on new patterns. Thank you for your precious time. Here is the final reveal in her cute little crochet dress. See you soon!
I give you love, but you ration yours. You open up just to close the